Do you need an ID for Paysend? That is the question of the day, and it is a question that I know is causing a lot of you out there a great deal of anxiety. You are sitting at your computer or holding your smartphone, trying to send money to your kids, your grandkids, or family members overseas. You want to use these modern digital tools to make life easier, but suddenly a box pops up asking you to upload a photo of your driver's license, your passport, or even your social security number. And what happens? Fear sets in. You freeze. You ask yourself, is this safe? Am I about to become a victim of identity theft? Why do they need my private documents just so I can send my own hard-earned money? I understand that fear. You have spent a lifetime building your nest egg, protecting your credit, and being careful with your personal information. It is completely natural to feel violated or scared when an app demands your official identification. But I need you to listen to me right now. Do not let that fear stop you, and do not panic. Let's answer the question directly. Yes, you absolutely do need an ID for Paysend. If you are just starting out and sending a very small, basic amount, they might let you get your foot in the door with just your phone number and basic details. But the moment you want to send real money, the moment you want to lift those low initial limits to send money for a down payment, a medical bill, a graduation gift, or ongoing family support, Paysend will stop the transaction and require you to upload a valid, government-issued photo ID. If you live in the United States, they are also going to ask for your social security number or your ITIN to unlock higher tiers. Now, why do they do this? Is it a scam? No, it is not. This is where the education comes in. Financial platforms like Paysend are required by law to follow strict regulations known as Know Your Customer, or KYC, and anti-money laundering laws. These rules are put in place by international governments to stop criminals, fraud, and terrorist financing. If Paysend did not ask for your ID, they would be operating illegally, and your money would not be safe with them. The fact that they are asking for your ID is actually proof that they are adhering to the highest financial security standards. They are protecting the financial system, and ultimately, they are protecting you. But knowing it's legal doesn't magically erase the fear of handing over your driver's license online. You are worried about hackers, and that is a smart worry to have. So, how do you handle this safely? Your actionable takeaway right here, right now, is to control how you interact with the technology. First, never, ever click a link in an unexpected email or a text message that tells you your Paysend account is locked and demands your ID. That is where the scammers live. If you need to verify your identity, you open the official Paysend app directly on your phone, or you type paysend.com directly into your internet browser. You look for that secure little padlock icon next to the web address. You upload your documents only through their secure, encrypted portal. Paysend uses automated, encrypted systems to verify your photo ID, usually a driver's license, passport, or residence permit, along with a quick selfie to prove that you are the living, breathing person matching that document. Second, check your documents before you start. Make sure your driver's license or passport is not expired. If it is expired, the system will reject it, your transaction will get stuck in limbo, and your stress levels will go through the roof. Take the photo in a well-lit room, make sure there is no glare hiding your birth date or your photo, and ensure all four corners of the ID are visible in the frame. If you do this right, the automated review takes anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. Once you are verified, your limits are raised, and you can securely move your money without the system blocking you. You have worked too hard for your money to be afraid of the tools meant to help you enjoy it. Do not let the request for an ID scare you away from helping your loved ones. Be smart, stay secure, utilize the official app, and take control of your financial life.